28 Creighton Avenue here in Lake Ronkonkoma, a house. I just peeked in the door. Absolute disaster, hoarding situation, decrepit, the roof is caving in, the neighbors are all outside, and to their delight, this property is going to be cleaned up by the town of Brookhaven today. I'm going to turn it over to Councilman Foley, who's also the deputy supervisor of the town, who's made an effort to clean up the 5th District and make sure we don't have houses like this that mar the community.
Good morning. After 25 years, this house is coming down today, to the delight of all the neighbors. I just want to thank the law department, the building department, and waste management for doing an excellent job and making a better neighborhood today than it was yesterday. So thank you.
And a special shout out to Teresa Trejo, who does a great job in the town of Brookhaven, has worked with Bob and Cogliato before you to clean up Brookhaven. No town does the work that we do, and we do it because we care about our residents.